Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Attack Shark X3 device sleep. First, open the Attack Shark X3 software or access the device settings through the companion app or control panel. Then, look for options such as auto sleep, sleep timer, or idle mode. If any of these are enabled, turn them off or set the timer to the maximum value so the device does not go to the sleep during use. Next, check for battery saver or power saving mode inside the device settings. When this feature is enabled, this device reduces power by entering sleep mode quickly. Disable this option to keep the device active for longer periods, especially during gaming or continuous use. After that, check if there is a firmware or software update available for the Attack Shark X3. Now, open the update section in the software and install the latest version if available. Update often fix bugs, improve performance, and resolve sleep or connection issues. Now, restart the device by turning it off completely and then turning it back on. This helps refresh the system and apply all the changes you made in the settings. Then, make sure the device is fully charged. Connect it to a power source and let it charge until the battery reaches 100%. Low battery levels can automatically trigger sleep mode to save power. If the issue still continues, perform a reset to default settings from the device menu or software. This will remove any incorrect or conflicting settings and restore the device to its original configuration. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.